Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can unarchive on Google Keeps account. Keep watching the video till the end. To unarchive on Google Keeps, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in keep.google.com and make a search. Log into your account using your login credentials and the home page of your Google Keeps account will appear on the screen. Click on Archive option at the left-hand side of the page. Select the notes that you'd like to unarchive and tap on Unarchive icon just below your Google Keep notes. It will unarchive your Google Keep notes in no time. This is how you can unarchive Google Keep notes quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.